Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a new purse unboxing from Chanel and this is just so cute guys and I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's open this. The receipt and this came from Chanel Boutique at Bellagio, Las Vegas and I am so excited guys. But I have not really seen this in person, so I don't know what will it look like. And I'm so glad that it came with a box because I heard Chanel is out of box lately. So can you just imagine how small it is, guys? Oh my God, so cute. Let's put it in there. And this is the clutch with chain in the receipt, but it looks like a mini vanity to me, so I don't know why they call this clutch with chain. This is in silver. This is just so cute guys, look at this, so cute, so cute. I really like this small handle, that's why I got this purse. And crossbody, it looks like this. So small. So this is in shiny silver. So it's in iridescent leather in, I don't know if this is in calf skin guys or lambskin. Feels like calf skin to me. And here at the side, the quilting is not really that embossed, so it's more like a flat quilting, and on top it looks like this. So the chain is attached here beside the handle, the same as the rectangular mini that was just released with chain. So looks like it's attached here on the side, and it is movable, so if you will hold it standing up, or it will lay flat like that. If you hold the top handle, it can lay flat easily. And it has a CC logo in here. Let's open the, so this is the CC logo, which is substantial. And this one has a leather tab, and let's open it. And this is the barcode guys. So currently this is retail for 1,700 and I paid 1,832. That's with tax. 31 series, and it's the 21S collection, and inside it looks like this, and this is made in France. So it has a silver textile lining. This is really small guys, but it doesn't feel flimsy when you hold it. This is made well, in my opinion. The stitches are all in place and inside. So let me see if I can put my card holder. This is the Chanel card holder. So it will not fit a card holder guys, as it is so small. And here, if you can see, but let me see if I can put my cards inside. So this is my card key. It can fit a credit card standing up or lay flat down. So let's see, I'll put this standing up, and I'll try to put this Chanel lotion, as this is very thick. So here it can fit a Chanel lotion, so that will give you an idea guys. If you'll have a credit card, you can put it here at the back, and then you can put the Chanel lotion, and there's still space in here where you can put more on top. And let me see if I can, this is my Chanel lipstick, I'll put it there. And this is a hand sanitizer which is thick, and let's close it. So it can fit, a hand sanitizer, a lipstick. So it's nice that it can fit our essentials, I should say, here. And it will look like this. And let's open it up and it will look like this inside. This is so cute, guys, that it makes me want to pinch this purse. Like, if you can see my hand, it fits at the palm of my hand. So it's just like a toy, but it's just so cute. I'm gonna show you how it looks like beside the Chanel rectangular mini. And it looks like this at the back, and at the bottom looks like this, and here in front. And also for the chain, if you compare it, so this is the regular chain and this is the chain. You're gonna compare this with my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. It looks like this. And here, just so cute, guys, so cute. I would love a white in gold or black in gold, but the wait list of this cute purse is so long, guys, that when my SA said that he has this available, I just purchased it right away. I'm just glad that it can fit a hand sanitizer because it's a must. For me, there are other small purses where we cannot put hand sanitizer as the width is not that wide, but this one, it can fit our hand sanitizer, which I am glad. I'm gonna do a mud shot after this, and let's find out together how it will look like on me. Again, I am 5'4". Let me also know how you view this purse, guys. I would love to hear your comments and your opinions on this cute little purse, and we'll just talk in the comments down below. Please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time, and let's go ahead and do the mud shots. So here it is, guys, crossbody, and I just find the strap short. I find the strap short on me, and this is already my high-waisted short, and it just fall here above it, and I just find it odd to be this short. Like, I just don't like the look of this being short. If this is a little bit longer, like let's say just an inch maybe longer, like it will fall on here, I think it's more balanced to look at. But if it's above the high-waisted short, I just find it odd. So let me know, guys, if you also think the same way. Maybe if this doesn't have a handle, it will look okay. I don't know, guys. Like, I really love this cute purse, but it is just too short in my opinion. I have here my clutch with chain, and I will compare it together. This is my clutch with chain, which I love so much, and this one crossbody just hangs just right here. Did you see what I'm talking about, guys? Like, this might be short, but if it hangs up to here, I think it's perfect. But for this to be so short, like, I just don't like the way it hangs. Like, it just looks so odd on me, in my opinion. I'm gonna show you the length of each of the purses here. So it's 2 inches shorter than this one. I just wish this is a little bit longer, so I don't think this will work for me, guys, as I find it really short. Like, I really don't like the way it looked on me. Even if I'll do it like this, like, it's just hang oddly, I think. I wish the strap is a little bit longer so it will be balanced on my body front. That's my opinion, guys, and I am showing this to you so that if you love this purse, you'll have an idea how it will wear on you as well. It might look good on other people, but on me, I don't think it does complement my body frame. I hope you'll find this useful, guys, and again, thank you for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!